You hop into an electric car and press the accelerator and there's no gear shift, no clutch, just instant acceleration. How can it go from zero to highway speed without changing gears? Today we're uncovering the hidden secret behind why electric cars don't need gears, and why it makes them smoother and more fun to drive. Let's start with traditional cars. Gasoline cars use an internal combustion engine ICE, which has a limited range of speeds where it works efficiently. Gears help by multiplying torque for acceleration in first gear, reducing engine strain at high speeds in higher gears. Without gears, your gas engine would either struggle to start moving or roar too fast at highway speeds. Basically, gears help balance power and speed. Electric cars use electric motors instead of gas engines. Here's the key difference. Electric motors can produce maximum torque instantly, from 0 miles per hour. They have a very wide speed range, so they don't need multiple gears to stay efficient. Think of it like a bike. With a motor that can go fast without pedaling harder, you don't need gears to climb or speed up. Torque is the twisting force that makes wheels turn. In gas cars, torque is low at low speeds, which is why first gear is needed. In electric cars, torque is high at any speed, so they can accelerate smoothly without a gear shift. That's why an EV can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour almost instantly. No clutch, no gear changes. Without gears, electric cars are mechanically simpler. Benefits include fewer moving parts, meaning less maintenance, fewer components that can brake, smoother, quieter driving. In short, EVs are easier to drive and maintain because the motor does most of the work on its own. You might wonder, if there are no gears, how does the car handle highway speeds? Electric cars adjust speed using motor controllers, controlling voltage and current to the motor, regulating wheel speed precisely. This lets the motor spin fast for highways or slow for city streets, all without needing multiple gears. Many electric cars still have a single gear reduction, basically one gear that reduces the motor's RPM to a usable wheel speed. Why only one? The motor's torque is strong enough at low speeds, it can handle high speeds without efficiency loss. Simplicity means cost-effective and reliable, so while it might have one gear, it functions like all the gears in a gas car combined. The lack of shifting gears creates a unique driving feel, smooth, immediate acceleration, no engine noise during gear changes, easier for beginners to drive. It also gives electric cars a fun, responsive feel. Many EV owners describe it as instant power at your foot. So why don't electric cars need gears? Because electric motors produce maximum torque instantly. They have a wide, efficient speed range. Motor controllers manage speed without shifting. One gear reduction is enough for wheels. In short, electric cars are simpler, smoother, and more fun to drive, all thanks to the way their motors work. Next time you sit in an EV, remember, the missing gear stick isn't a flaw. It's one of the things that makes driving electric so effortless and exciting. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more simple explanations of everyday tech that make life smarter and easier.